Hey guys, I'm just swapping out this battery meter gauge on the Electric Motion. I got the newer one. I mentioned it in my previous video on this thing. And it's a very simple plug. I took the cover off. I just got done washing her up. Took the cover off here, battery cover. And I'm just going to use these little surgical jobs to grab that little wire thing because it got away from me. And, oops, there goes the other meter thing. This one is the one that's acting funny. I will set this back here for now. Okay, I got a hold of this. This wire wrap thing right here, it just has kind of a tension to it, so you can open it up and slide a wire in if you want. And you can, so I slid my battery level reader thing in, and we will plug her in like this, same way it came out. There. Okay, so I gotta change the bars on this, so I'm not gonna put it all back together this minute, but simple enough. I like the way this thing's built. It's the first time I got it washed up, and the panels come off really easily. And then let's just test this thing to see if this works. This one I mentioned was, here, I'll hope you guys can see that. What was happening, I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, so it's working. And the other one, you just kept touching, it wouldn't give you the reading, and then on and off it would just do the reading. Sometimes you'd touch it and work, like I mentioned. So let's see how this one works. Okay, so far this one is working immediately when you touch the button. I'm at 95%. I just rode it around to dry it off a little bit. Let's see if this thing kicks out, and then we'll try it again on a touch. Let's see here, maybe. Oh, these little zip ties have little switches too. You can see that you can get them off easily. They're nice. You just teeter-totter those off, so they're reusable. Yeah, yep, it's working good right now, so hopefully that holds up. And I'll switch out the bars right now. And like I mentioned before, maybe to you guys, the bars, let me back up a little bit here for you. See if you can see the whole bar set up. The bars, this is the only thing you need to slide on and tighten up, is the throttle. And then this clamps on, as I mentioned before, easy enough. Clamps on, zip ties I'm going to reuse. And I'm going to try to memorize the position these were in. Everything else clamps on. And the grip, obviously that slides on, but mine came with the grips on it, so I'll just have to swap the grips in this case. So I'll go from there. So quite simple. Get these bars changed out. I think that was the Mars that they damaged that was on them. All right, hope that helps you guys. Talk to you later. Appreciate any subscriptions or likes. Thank you.